Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how we can work with SketchUp 2023, the newest version we have. SketchUp don't have any special changes with previous versions, so I click on the SketchUp and I open it. Um, some type of tips and tricks about SketchUp maybe all of the students in urban design or architects need to know. At first we have the files and recent files. We have more templates. SketchUp is a 3D basic designing software, and it's really easy to use and it's really fun. We have lots of plans and models for designing and 3D modeling. One of it is the simple mode, another is the architectural, another is the urban planning, another is a plan view. If you want to create a kitchen design, you can use woodworking, and for interior designs, you can use interiors. Landscape design, the unit by diameter, and you can create all type of terrains you want. And 3D printing is for the 3D machines. So I close this. You can choose your favorite modeling system. So if you want simple model within an inch, you can click on it and this heart, that means that it's your favorite modeling situation. And I want to work with simple by diameter. So I click on it and I click on the main thumbnail. Alright, SketchUp environment is the same like previous versions, just these type of characters add to the SketchUp, and let's get to modeling. At first, at the left side, we have the large toolbox set. It's called large toolbox set. So I want to close it. We don't have anything in our screen. I click on the view. We have some type of option that likes toolbars, and I start with the large tool set. Alright, I close it, left click plus drag, and I hold it in this place. Some type of new things added to the SketchUp like flip option and another field of view. See more or less of your model by changing the angle. We have the selection tool, lasso selection, paint bucket for selecting materials and changing materials. Another is eraser. In SketchUp 2023, eraser have a high level of accuracy. Another option is make component. If you want to create some type of models in a big areas, you can use the this option and change all of the models with each other at the same time. Another option is the tagging. Tagging helps you to categorize your models by all type of materials or colors. So another is a line. You can draw everything you want. Another is the freehand. You can draw lots of irregular hand draw lines or their shapes. Another is a rectangle. Another option is the rotated rectangle. These two options are the same, but the way of drawing is different. So another is a circle, another is a 2-point arc, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, and pi. So another in the movement tools is the move. If you want to push or pull or extrude the faces, you can use push or pull option. Rotation for rotating the subject or objects. Follow me is for creating some facade designs. And we have a scale. You can change your scales. And another is your offset. The other option we have is the axis. Sometimes you need to create some curvical models, but you don't know how you can draw on the curved faces. And axis help you to draw these options. Another option is the flip. We have measurements by tape measure tool, and we have dimensions. Another option we have for rotating the angles, and another is the text. We have the section plane and section cut, and another is a 3D font. We have orbit for changing the camera position and rotating the screen. We have pan option. You can go in the four direction, left, right, down or up. So we have zoom. You can zoom on the objects. We have window zoom like this. We have zoom extent, helps you just focus on the one object in your screen. And we have some option called undo the previous camera view. For example, you do some special work in a very hard camera position and you want to take it back, so you can click on the undo previous camera. Another option is a position camera. When I click on it, I can see some type of personage human model. For example, I click on this place. At the right bottom of the screen, you can see the eye height on the 1.68. So you can add your real height. For example, my height is 1.8, like that, and I enter it. Now I have some real vision, for example, for a person who have this height. So another option we have is the look around. My mouse like here eye, and I can left click plus drag to look to the other places. We have walk option. If I hold left click plus drag, I can go anywhere I want, like this. And you can see this aim targeting on the left of the screen or at the center. Last option we have is the field of view. You can change your field of view like this or like that. It's really helpful you to create some type of graphical view or renders. This is the first session for the SketchUp tutorials, so I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget like and comment. Please subscribe us. We need your support. At the next lesson, I will tell you about that, how we can work with drawing options. So good luck.